really nice colors to add into your summer salad is some peppers. However, we know that our work should also begin in winter. We currently have some of our sticks still present. However, how we preserve it to ensure it's ready for summer is that we are going to trim it. So we're going to start with this one back here. We are going to remove extra stems that could possibly be taking energy so that it only shoots upwards. All right. So as you can see, these ones have all been removed. So all the energy can be shunted upwards. Same thing here. I'm going to remove, let's remove this one. So that you have the longest stick left. And then all the energy can be shunted up. But I'm also going to remove everything further up. Not further up, but further like out. That sprouts out of that stem. So there we are. So now it has just one pathway